Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. If this is your first time here, I like making cool stuff and bringing them to life using my laser engraver and my 3D printer. And if that's something that you off into, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. So I told my homeboy that I got a 3D printer. He went crazy, right? So he was telling me about this book that you can hide stuff inside of it, but it looks like a book on a bookshelf. And he do believe that it was 3D printed. And if I could find it, could I 3D print one? So I did. I 3D printed the book, gave it to him. He hit me back and was like, bruh, can you find anything else that you can hide stuff in that you can 3D print? So I was like, why not? And we can make a video out of it. So today, we are going to print 5 hidden stash 3D prints. So let's head over to Maker World and find these models. Okay, so now we're in Maker World. Let's find 5 models. So let's go up here. Let's type in hidden book. That's the one that I did right here. This one right here is by the CAD Niche. I don't know how to pronounce it. We're gonna like that one. Okay, so then let's find 4 more. I think I wanted to do like a bookshelf, a hidden bookshelf maybe. Let's find some type of bookshelf. I want one that looks pretty cool. Maybe I should type in hidden compartment bookshelf maybe. Let's see. Nah, not a bookshelf, just hidden compartment shelf. Yeah, this one right here, floating shelf, hidden drawer. Yeah, look at that. Ah, that's tough. Then it pulls out like it. Yeah, that's tough. I like this one. So it goes on like that. You pull it out, hide your little stuff in there, and push it back. I like this one. Yeah, let's go with that one. All right, cool. That's what 2 of them. Another one. Let's type in hidden compartment. Oh, look at this one right here, right beside the book. Hidden cash and stash lint roller. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's tough. Look at that. So you put your little money in there and screw it up, and you got your little lint roller. Lint roller could be worth some bands. Ah yeah, I like that one. That's gonna be 3. Alright. Hidden compartment. Like, that's the thing about like these hidden stuff. Like, a lot of people like do boxes. You want to do stuff that people look at every day and won't even know that it's stuff that's hidden inside of it. Like, that's what I like. I think that's tough. Oh man, look at this one right here. I came across this right here. Hidden storage shelf. It's the little Mario thing. And we older, so we definitely know what this is. Oh yeah, I like that. Let's check it out. So it comes out like it and it opens up. Ah, that's tough. And you can have more stuff in that one. I like this one. I might make one of these for myself. I like this one. Yeah, that's like that one. We're gonna do something simple, like everyday thing. I was thinking about a pencil holder, right? Hidden compartment, maybe like some type of pencil pen holder. Ah, this one right here. This looks good. And you unscrew the bottom. I like that one. Yeah, you can't hide that much in it. Oh, but it got a ring in it and a little cash. I like it. Let's do it. We found 5 models. I think you're gonna like all 5 of them. And that Mario thing, I think I'm gonna like that one myself. I might have to make 2 of them. I don't know yet. But so we got all 5 things. Let's get them all loaded up onto Bambu, and we're gonna start printing all of these out. I know it's gonna take a little minute, but we're gonna get it done. Okay, we got everything printed out. The lint roller is still in the X1C printing right now. So we gonna put everything together and I'm gonna show y'all all of the stuff and what it do. Okay, we got the book. It got some little support things right on the edge. So we basically just peel these off right here. Make sure it's all off. A nice clean edge. We got some more little things right here that you want to take off. I don't know why I'm using my hands when I got some little tools. Hold up. Yeah, I got some snippets. I got some that I can pull this stuff off with. I'm up here trying to use my hands when you want to work smart, not hard. Then we got the white part, same thing. Peel the stuff off. That's how you hide it right here. And then you see you got the little grooves right here. If you look right here, and the inside, we got the little grooves right there. Just stick it in. And it fits in like a book. Got some more little edges right here. So this how the book looks right here. All right, so the next thing is the Mario hidden shelf thing. We gotta glue a lot of parts on this one. So we're gonna use some E6000 until I'm able to get some PLA glue, adhesive, or whatever you wanna call it, little stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna use some E6000 and we're just gonna give us some little daps and put it all together. And then, you know, this part right here is what goes on the wall, and it slides in there like that. So when you put it on the wall, it goes like that. And then this part right here slides in here like that. You got the hidden box. Like this one, they can hold a lot more stuff in it. So slide it up, put your little something on top of it. There you go. Okay, next we have the pencil holder. This is really simple. This is just the bottom piece. You want to put that inside of it like that, so it holds inside. And this bottom part screws in the bottom like so, and it goes up, sitting up like that. This is really good. I like this one right here a lot, and I really like this color. This was the Pet G PLA, Pet G, I think. I want to try it out because gray is my favorite color. And yeah, that's the pencil holder. Next is this one was really cool too. The little shelf that was like under the toilet tissue in the bathroom. Yeah, so basically it flips over. It got some grooves inside of it too. Like, I never thought about this part when I be thinking about my models that I want to create. How I got the little grooves in it, and it goes to like these parts right here. Like, this makes a lot of sense, like when you make the stuff. So basically the grooves, you gotta put it in like so. Kind of want to stretch it out a little bit. And there, like, see how it is? So it goes like that. And then at the bottom, you see how it's kind of got like a little lip right here. So that's what you kind of grab when you want to open it up. So it'll go on the wall like that, and you'll pull it open, and the grooves stop it from coming all the way out. That's what I was worried about at first for a little bit, that if you pull it, won't it just come all the way out? But it comes out, you put your stuff in, and it got 3 little holes right here where you can screw it into the wall. So, but when it's closed, see how you kind of can see the shade right here? So I was thinking like, well, if somebody see that shade, they probably can tell like if something in it. But when you close it, see it hides the shade. It looks solid with this white PLA that I use right here. So I was like, I thought I had to probably change the color or something, but putting it on the wall definitely is gonna hide some good stuff inside of this one. Okay, we got the lint roller printed out, finally finished. As you can see, it's kind of solid up here. We got support up here that we need to break out. Sometimes I don't even be knowing if I be doing this the right way or not. When you're taking out support and all that, This is also one of them ones where maybe I should have printed the support in a different color. I need to figure that out really. I don't really know how to do that yet in the settings. Like how to make sure that I print the support in a different color. If anybody know that, send me a video or let me know in the comments below, because I need to figure out how to do that. Look a little rough, but let's see where you can hide some stuff inside of it. Hide your cash in there. Let's see if I can screw it in now. Now when it's screwed in, it looks pretty good. Screw it out. I guess it helped clean it up a little bit too. Screw it back in. Oh, there you go. You gotta buy some lint roller, like a lint roller stick to put around it so you can use it as a lint roller. And there you have it. Which of the 5 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if there's any other hidden compartments or secret shelves or anything like that you want me to check out that's on Maker World or any other website, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make something else.